So just like the video up here said, there is a difference between things that we need and things that we want. Remember, things that we need are things that we cannot survive without, things that we need every day so that we can stay alive, healthy, and strong. For example, water. Water comes down from the skies to help us with our plants, the grass, the trees. It helps our rivers, lakes, and oceans stay healthy. We also need a different type of water, drinking water. I don't want you going outside and drink the water that comes in the rain because it might not be filtered. It might not be the cleanest, but we can drink that clean water. We also need shelter to survive. We need shelter to protect ourselves from the outside world, to protect ourselves from scary bugs. We also need them to protect ourselves from the weather. Do you remember when it was really, really, really cold recently? Yeah, thank goodness we had our shelter that was there to keep us safe. Our shelter also helps us know that we have somewhere to go to rest, to sleep, to relax, and allow us to be the best selves that we can be. Also need clothing. A very special need that we humans need that no other animal needs are clothes. We definitely need shirts and pants and shoes to keep us nice and safe when we walk outside, when we come to school. And sometimes we need certain types of clothes to help us and protect us from the weather. For example, a nice warm coat or a scarf and a hat, mittens for the cold, or sunglasses for when it's really bright outside. Even a raincoat will help us keep nice and dry. We also need food. But we need to be careful about what type of food. Some food is good for us. It helps us grow. It has lots of vitamins and minerals, like a nice healthy sandwich. Some broccoli, yummy. There's also other things that our friend in the video shared with us. They are wants. Wants are very different from needs, even though they look similar. I don't want you to get these confused because wants are things that you may feel like you need them, like you really, really need them, but you actually don't need them to survive. These are things that we can live without. That means that we don't have to have them to have a good, healthy life. Let's go over what these wants are. We have things like cell phones, iPads, computer, technology. We don't need it to survive. If we really had to choose, we could leave it behind and move forward with our lives and still be healthy, strong, and alive. So I'm going to put phone or tech for technology. We also don't really need all this candy, right? We don't need a lot of candy. I know that it's good as a dessert or as a sweet special treat, but really, friends, we could live without the candy. Now, I have here a controller. What's that a controller for, friends? For games, video games. And then I have a sweet little teddy bear. What is that? That, my friends, are toys. And we don't need toys to survive, although they are very fun, I have to admit. And last but not least, we have things like soda and chips. People call that junk food or sugary food. That means that there's a lot of sugar in that food, and it doesn't necessarily have all the vitamins and nutrients that we need to grow nice and tall and healthy and strong. It would be nice to have all these things, but really, we need these few things to survive. So just like our friend in the video up here, she made a pile for needs and a pile for wants. Friends at home, you're going to look for things at home. You're going to look for a lot of the objects that you have, and you're going to put them into two piles. In one pile, I want you to put things that you need. And in another pile, I want you to put things that you want, that you could live without. And then you'll take a quick picture of it and submit it to us here on Schoology. In class, friends, we have a sort just for you to complete. I can't wait to see how your sorts and your piles come up. Thank you, friends. Bye.